All right, and we're here. So last time they had this event, it was raining. It was all wet and nasty. Now it's nice, cool, dry day. Nothing crazy going on. But we've got, see a black and white 599. Who else is out here? See an Audi R8. Gray Huracan. A lot of the guys from Luso are out here, so this is probably the first guys to roll into the show. The show is actually from 2 to 5, so it's not even 2 o'clock yet. It's actually about 1:30. So let me flip the camera around. We'll see what's out here. All right, so a couple of these cars, they came straight over here from Luso. I believe this white 599 was there. See this Ventador and this Huracan rear-wheel drive were there. But here we've got a silver and orange Gulf livery Ford GT. Look at this. Number 6. And I think we got some more. Got some classics over here. Got a classic Rolls Royce. And I think that's a classic Mercedes. Let's see what this thing is. What is this? What is this thing? Supercharged. Okay. This is an Auburn. Not familiar. Look at this big bumper here. Looks like an airplane or something. Probably from like the 50s or something with the with that styling. Oh, the hat's a nice touch. I'm not familiar with this model. It's got the. This kind of looks like a Spirit of Ecstasy right here. I'm not sure. Oh. Yeah, I'll try to find the owner and I'll ask about it. Oh, check this out. BMW Z4 GT3 race car. Well, I'm not sure if it's a GT3. I think it's just a converted Z4 into a race car. Got full roll cage and everything. Look at this. Replace the tonneau cover with carbon fiber for better aero. This is nice. What else here? They got some happy hour amenities going on over here. Got Ferrari of Fort Lauderdale brought out this looks like a F12, I believe. Ferrari F12. Got a 430 Spider here, F430 Spider, and a Viper ACR. All right, so during the event, Rocco's Tacos is kind of having a happy hour, so while there are more cars driving in, I'm going to go and enjoy some tacos with my friend William, and it's going to be a party. What's going on here?
Cars, cocktails, and couture. I'm so glad you're here.
Oh yeah. Oh, I come up to everything, so you know.
I know. Well, we're having fun at Focus Center with happy hour specials at Rocco's and Brio, gift cards, all kinds of fun stuff for everybody who's here today.
Okay, so what's going on here? You guys having like a thing?
TLM is having a drawing, a free raffle for some coaching with the TLM race team, which is amazing. They're also giving away some free 3-hour endurance race tickets for Sunday, October 14th at Homestead for Farah.
Okay, cool. And you guys are giving some cookies out?
Cookies, champagne, water. Hi. Good. How are you doing?
I think I might grab a cookie right there.
Did you guys bring a card?
Yeah.
I'm gonna look around. I brought my card.
There you go. All right, guys. Geez, sun's in my eyes. So I'm going to be heading out from the show. We're going to the Miami International Auto Show, but I'm going to end this video here. So thank you for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe. I'll be posting the video at the auto show a little later this week, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye.